We just had a solar eclipse this April 8th. But before we start, what is a solar eclipse? According to NASA, a solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and Earth, casting a shadow on Earth that either fully or partially blocks the sun's light in some areas. This only happens occasionally because the moon doesn't orbit in the exact same plane as the sun and Earth do. Let's take a closer look at this, shall we? Meet the players. The sun, big bright star. Moon, our rocky companion. Earth, our blue marble home. The moon blocks some sunlight, casting two shadows. Umbra, dark cone-shaped area where the sun is completely blocked. Here, you get a total eclipse, a brief nighttime experience. Penumbra, lighter area where the sun is partially blocked. This is where you might see a partial eclipse, with the sun looking like a crescent. Now let's explore the types of eclipses. Total, the moon's umbra, perfectly covers the sun, creating a short-lived night.
It's gone. Look at it. Look at it. It's there. It's the corona. Oh my gosh. Wow. Taking some of this crowd. You know, you hear about this experience from people who saw it in 2017, but to actually be here to feel the coldness, to see...
Partial. Moon only partially blocks the sun, showing a crescent sun or a bite out of it. Annular. Moon is too far away, leaving a bright ring of sunlight around the moon, a fiery donut in the sky.
Solar eclipse occurs when a new moon passes directly in front of the sun but appears too small to cover it completely. But why is that?
Now that you understand solar eclipses, there's an interesting fact. 2 recent solar eclipses crossed the United States, one in 2017 and one in 2024. Some have noticed the paths form a cross, with the intersection over a place called rapture. The term rapture refers to a belief in some Christian denominations that believers will be taken up to meet Jesus in the air before a period of tribulation. The first eclipse's path included several cities named Salem, meaning peace in Hebrew. The second eclipse crossed paths with several cities named Nineveh, a place in the Bible where people were called to repentance, which means to turn from sin and change your mind. And they had 40 days to do so. These alignments and names have led some to see connections to faith and divine meaning. These events can inspire reflection on our place in the universe and the values we hold important.